Hey guys, my name is Emily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to be filming a luxury unboxing and a haul video for you guys. I don't believe I've ever filmed one for this channel, so I figured I might as well do one now. I went to Hermès with my mom yesterday and I just bought a few things and just wanted to share it with you guys. Also, sorry if there's any background noises. It's definitely my cats being crazy. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the smaller bag actually, and it is this. Love it when like people are untying ribbons and stuff. I think it's so much fun when people do it on camera. So the first item that I got is a belt. It is the reversible black and brown belt with the new Hermès buckle. I have the traditional H as well, but the much slimmer band, and I personally really like the newer logo a lot better than the original one, and I also am a huge fan of silver, so I really love the way this one looks. So you could either do it with black, or you could just flip this belt over to the other side and you can make the belt brown instead of black. It's the Hermès belt that I already have. It's the much thinner one and with the gold H, and it's much smaller as well. So you could do the black or you could do the brown. I pretty much always do the black. I never really do the brown because I'm always wearing like black clothes, things like that. But I do like this one because of it's such a huge difference in the width of the belt, and it'll look really cute with summer dresses and whatnot. And I will probably use the brown side more often now because I like the leather on the brown. In Hermès, you buy the belt and the belt buckle separately. So I have the bag for the leather belt, and for the belt buckle, this cute little pouch. Okay, and this is the next item. It's a pair of shoes. So most of you guys know the Hermès orange sandal. I really wanted the the brown sandals because I thought it was super casual. Love the way it looked, and it looks really cute like on my feet shape. I don't know, that's such a weird thing to say, but I love the way it looked and how it elongated my legs. But after trying it, I actually went for the little heeled version instead of the full-on sandal. Okay, and here we have it. This is my first pair of Hermès shoes. I guess I'm leveling up here. I don't know. But I love the way the box looks, super cute. So I'm actually a size 35 in shoes or a 5 in women's. I know I have really small feet, but for the shoes I went for a 35.5 because I found that was a little bit more comfortable and I had a little bit more wiggle room in the front of my toes. I hate talking about feet, but you have to talk about feet when it comes to shoes. So let's just unbox this. So the shoes come in separate dust bags, which is so cute. You get two little baggies. Okay, and here are these shoes in all of its glory. Has the infamous little H logo in the front. Looks so cute, and you know that they are super fresh. It is a little block heel. I didn't want anything that was too tall. I wanted something that gave me a little bit of height because I'm literally only 5'1", and I wanted to be comfortable at the same time. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna try on the belt and the shoes on for you guys, and I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description bar if you're interested in any of these items. But I think this is so cute. I think this is gonna look so chic with like my little summer dresses and whatnot. I personally love these so much. If you guys seen the orange sandals, I'll put up a picture of them. It's really just the flat versions of these, and I love the brown because I'm a little bit tan right now, so it looks really good. I was always in between the brown and the black, but I'm glad I went for the brown instead. So let me show you guys what my mom got since I don't live with her. Clearly I don't have her stuff with me. She basically got the same shoes as me, but she got them in red, and she also got the black like heel version. It looks super cute. It's like a wedge but kind of chic at the same time. And also she got the little like red horsey that you get that you put on your Birkins or your Kellys. And she also got a belt, but it's not for her. It's going to be a gift for somebody else. So yeah, let me do the try on for you guys and show you what the items look like on me. Okay, and that wraps up my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like anything in this video, again, everything is going to be in the description bar. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram for all things about me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.